विश्राम, सावधान. झेंडावंदना सलामी देऊ. राष्ट्रगीत शुरू. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उच्चल गंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे. गाये तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. वंदे वंदे. प्रजासत्ताक दिनाचा विश्राम. आज 77व्या प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्यो तुमकां पयली खुशाल बरी परबी दिता, मंगलमय सगळ्यांक तुमकां परबी दिता आणि आठवण करता सगळ्या त्या नेत्याची ज्यांनी स्वातंत्र्य ज्यांच्यामुळे आमकां स्वातंत्र्य लाभले त्या सगळ्या स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकाची. आणि 1950च्या नंतर जो जनतेकरता जनतेन चलयल्ले हो आज हो सुवर्णाक्षराने बरोवणारो दिवस आमचो प्रजासत्ताक दिन. प्रजेने प्रजेसाठी प्रजेने केल्लें राज्य. आणि ह्या 1950 सालापासून ग्रामीण भागातली सत्ता पंचायतीकडे, शहरातली सत्ता म्युन्सिपाल्टीकडे, राज्याची सत्ता आपली विधानसभेकडे आणि देशाची सत्ता राज्यसभा आणि लोकसभेकडे असो हो विभागून सगळो दिल्लो राजकारभार ह्या घटनेनुसार सगळ्यांक आमकां प्राप्त जाला. त्याची आमी अंमलबजावणी करता आसतना त्या ज्यांनी आमकां ह्या आमच्या स्वाधीन दवरून गेल्यात तांकां आमी पयलीं आमचे तांकां सलाम दिवया, त्यांची आठवण करुया आणि त्यांचे उपकार आठवया. हे जे येदे व्हडले तुमच्या त्यागांतल्यान आमकां हें सगळें प्राप्त जाला म्हणून हांव विनंती करता तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करपाक. उपसरपंचा उपसरपंच यांनी
Good morning and a very warm welcome to the dignitaries and my dear friends. It gives me immense pride and honor to welcome you on this auspicious occasion as we gather to celebrate the 77th Republic Day of India. Today is the day that reminds us of the historic moment when our Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950, transforming India into a sovereign democratic republic. The day is not just about ceremonies and parades, it is about remembering the values of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity that form the foundation of our nation. It is also a moment to pay tribute to the countless freedom fighters and leaders whose sacrifices gifted us the freedom and rights we enjoy today. As citizens of India, especially the youth, it is our responsibility to uphold the ideals of our Constitution and contribute positively to the growth and unity of our country. Once again, I warmly welcome everyone present here and thank you for being a part of this proud celebration. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you उपसरपंच यांनी गोयलो ज्यांनी सुंदर आपल्या थोडक्यात या वर्णन केलंय. हांव आता पंचायतीचे सचिव सेक्रेटरी चिटणीस श्री अर्जुन बेळी हांकां विनंती करता त्यांनी आपले मनोगत हांगा व्यक्त करपाक.
सत्याहत्तराव्या प्रजासत्ताक दिनाक हांगा जमिल्ल्या सगळ्या कलंगूटकार भावाक भयणाक, डेप्युटी सरपंच, पंच मेंबर हांगा सगळ्याक माय मोगाचो येवकार आनी अंदू नदी परबी. आयज प्रजासत्ताक दिन हो आख्खे भारतभर मनयलो वता. आमचे भारत 1947 ह्या वर्साक स्वतंत्र जालो आनी आमचें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इम्प्लिमेंट जालें 1950. सगळीं 3 वर्सां आमचें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बरोवपा खातीर अंडर दी चेअरमॅनशीप ऑफ डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर हाच्या फुडारपणा खाली आमचें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बरयलें गेलें. ताज्या पयलीं आमच्या ह्या भारत देशाचेर ब्रिटिशाचो लॉ आसलो. ब्रिटिशाचें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ब्रिटीश जो लॉ फॉलो करताले तेच आमचो भारत देशान फॉलो जातालो. पूण 26 जानेवारी 1950 ह्या वर्सान आमचो स्वताचो कायदो, स्वताचो न्याय आमचेर लागू जालो आनी आमी कोण हें आमकां 1950 पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें. हें फक्त इतक्याच खातीर शक्य जालें जे आमचे नेते व्हड फुडारी जावन गेले, ताणें आपल्या जिवाचें बलिदान दिवन आमकां स्वातंत्र्य मेळोवन दिलें. आनी स्वातंत्र्य मेळ्ळें हाच्या खातीरच आमी आयज हो रिपब्लीक डे मनोवपाक शकतात. परत एकदां तुमकां सगळ्याक ह्या रिपब्लीक दिसाच्यो उनवणीत परबी. आयज आमी कोण, आमी कितें करप हें आमच्या घटनेन बरयल्लें आसा. आयज पंचायत फॉर्म जाला. आर्टिकल 243 हाच्या अंतर्गत आमकां पंचायतीन पावर दिलात. पंचायतीचे कायदे, पंचायत कशी आसची, पंचायतीचो एक्ट कसो आसचो हो आर्टिकल 243 बरयल्लें आसा. आनी तेज्या नुसार ही पंचायतीची स्थापना जाली आनी आमच्या मुखार आयज पंच वांगडी सरपंच हे आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटात. घटनेन प्रोविजन केल्लें, घटनेन तशी तंदुरूस्त केल्ली म्हणूनच ही पंचायतीक फॉर्म जाली आनी आमी हो दीस आयज मनोवपाक शकले. सगळे पंच मेंबराचे, आमचे डेप्युटी सरपंच मॅडम एनी मॅडम यांचे ह्या वेळाचेर अभिनंदन करता की आयच्या हो दीस बड्या व्हडल्या दबाज्यान आमी मनयतात आनी असोच आमी मनोवपाक जाय आनी अशेंच फुडें मनयतले अशें आशा व्यक्त करता आनी म्हाजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं.
हो प्रजासत्ताक जे आमकां प्रजेने प्रजेसाठी चलिल्ल्या राज्याचो इतिहास थोडक्यान आमचे चिटणीस ज्या सेक्रेटरी वेळीपान सगळें तुमच्या समोर मांडलेलें आसा. एकूच आठवण करून दिता तुमकां की जो बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरांच्या अध्यक्षते खाली जे आमचे जे विधान जे बरयले गेले या भारत देशाचे, त्यानुसार जे आज ते कायदे चालतात ते पंचायती पर्यंत ते सुरवात जाता पंचायती कडच्यान आनी सोंपता राष्ट्रपती कडच्यान. तर ही म्हणटा ती एकूच अशी घटना आमच्या भारत देशान, म्हणजे अजरामर घटना. अशी घटना खंयच्याच देशाची ना. एक्झाम्पल जर तुमकां पळोवंक जाय, अमेरिकेचे अध्यक्ष आज कितें करतात पळय ते तुमकां सगळे तुमी वाचून जाणात. आपली माथे फिरूपणा करून कायदो हातीन घेवन जे कितें करतात तशें आमकां हांगा करूंक मेळना. की हांगासर जे सुरवात करता पंचायती कडच्यान विधानसभेन चल्ले, विधानसभे कडच्यान मागीर लोकसभेन चल्ले आनी राज्यसभेन चल्ले आनी मागीर राष्ट्रपती कडच्यान, तेन्नाच हो कायदो आमच्या देशाक लागू जाता. ही इतली आमची सुंदर अशी घटना, अजरामर अशी घटना ह्या भारत देशाची. प्रत्येकाने आपापल्या फाटीर हात मारून आपलोच सदां तो जय जयकार करून घेवंक जाय ह्या घटने करता. आनी आमी ह्या भारत देशाचे नागरीक म्हणून हांव हो कार्यक्रम, ल्हानसो कार्यक्रम हांगा सोमोवच्या पयलीं सगळे तुमी उपस्थित हांगासर जे आसात त्या सगळ्यांचे पंचायत पंच मेंबर जे आनी डेप्युटी सरपंचाच्या वतीन, सेक्रेटरीच्या वतीन तुमच्या सगळ्यांक परत तुमकां हार्दिक शुभेच्छा दिता ह्या 77व्या प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्यो. आनी हो फ्लॅग होस्टिंगाचो कार्यक्रम, झेंडावनाचो कार्यक्रम हो सोंपलो. हो हांगासरूच हांव थांबता आनी उर्वरीत कार्यक्रम स्वप्नेश वांयगणकर जो स्टेज कार्यक्रम जो आसा वचून प्रत्येकाने वर थोडं भुरग्याचें कौतुक करपाचो जो कार्यक्रम आसा तेज्या करता तुमी सगळ्यांनी उपस्थित रावचे अशी विनंती करता. आणि परत एकदा भारत माता की वंदे भारताचा प्रजासत्ताक दिनाचा. धन्यवाद. ओव्हर टू स्वप्नेश वांयगणकर.
I request everyone to please be seated. All the dignitaries, Deputy Sarpanch, any Fernandez, Secretary of Kalangur Village Panchayat, Mr. Arjun Bailey, and all the ward members. Check. Alright. On 26 January 2026, as we mark the 77th Republic Day of India, on this occasion, we are having a small felicitation program for the people, the students who have excelled in their respective fields. Also, we are going to felicitate the Kalangut Police Station for their dedicated service and achieving the best police station of Goa for the year 2025. First, I would like to introduce our first felicitee. A brief description about her. Some people walk through life collecting roles. She collected understanding, expression and purpose. Rooted in psychology, she learned early that the mind is both a compass and a canvas. As a teacher of psychology and English at a reputed institution in Kolwale, she is known for creating classrooms where students don't just learn theories but learn to think, express, trust their own voice. Leadership followed naturally as the General Secretary of Ponda Education Society College of Education. She brought structure to ideas, heart to responsibilities, strengthening students' participation, guiding teams towards notable intercollegiate achievements. A trained classical Kathak dancer, she has earned multiple applause and represented Goa at a national folk dance competition. For her dancing discipline, storytelling and mindfulness in emotion. A traveler by instinct and a reader by choice, she balances intellect with empathy and ambition with humanity, leaving a quiet yet lasting impact. And now currently appointed as the new President of JCI Kalangut. I request Madam Ria Parab to please come forward. Alright, so she is not over here, but we've got her mother, Madam Gita Parab, to please come forward. She is going to take the honors on her behalf. So I request Gita Parab to please come forward. Requesting the Deputy Sarpanch of Kalangut Village Panchayat, Madam Annie, to please come forward to do the honors. Requesting everyone to please put your hands together to felicitate I request the Secretary. Thank you. Next, we've got a boxer, Mr. Mahadev G. Salkar, who has won a gold medal in boxing in 19 kilo category. So I request Mr. Mahadev to please come forward to take the honors, and I request the Secretary of Village Panchayat of Kalangut, Mr. Arjun Bailey, to please do the honors. Put your hands together for Mahadev. The next, we are going to felicitate the Kalangut police station, but as you know, it's the 26th of January and they are also busy with their flag hosting. Till then, we've got around 5 minutes time, so there's a privilege which I'm giving to anyone who wants to come forward and say a few things. कोणाक 26 जानेवारीचेर जर कितें उलोवंक जाय एक दोन उतरां आमचें 5 मिनटां हा कित्याक कलांगूटचो पिया हांगा येवन भायर सरला सो तेंच्यांनी फुडें येवन एक दोन उतरां आमकां सांगूंक शकता हांगासर. Till then, I request Shekhar to please serve the snacks.
Hello. Good morning, everybody. Deputy Sarpanch of Kalangut Panchayat, other Panch of Kalangut Panchayat, my dear friends. I take this opportunity to thank the Village Panchayat Kalangut for felicitating my son Mahadev Ji Sarkar. This was possible only due to the initiative taken by our Panch, Mr. Alex. I thank you very much, as well as the Sarpanch for supporting it. Once again, I thank you very much.
Thank you, Bab Sarkar, for your kind words. Of Kalangut, Mr. Paresh Naik. Requesting everyone to please put your hands together for the PI of Kalangut, Mr. Paresh Naik, along with his other colleagues. Requesting all the dignitaries to please be seated. Check. Also, I request all the PSIs and all the support staff, all the police of Kalangut police station to please come forward to the days. Magta सगळ्याचे आमचे police Kalangutचे हांगा येयल्या. Requesting everyone to please put them a big round of applause. Magta सगळ्यांनी तेंच्यांनी तांकां ताळयो मारून हांगा तांकां वेलकम करचें. Check. I request for all the dedication and their hard work, and for that the service which they have provided to the village of Kalangut, they have been awarded the best police station of Goa. For that, I request any person, any police officer from Kalangut Village Panchayat to please come from Kalangut Police Station to please come forward and say a few words. Requesting Police Keshav to please come forward.
Good morning, everyone, and wishes of Republic Day to all of your respected days. It gives me immense pleasure to stand here and say a few words on behalf of Kalangut Police Station. We have been today called to felicitate for the Best Police Station Award which we have received for the year 2025. First of all, I would like to say that Best Police Station Award, although we have received, the village panchayat Kalangud has also played a very important role in that award, because village panchayat Kalangud is also always proactive in supporting us, taking up the issues, all the logistic support wherever we require. We just make a phone call to the sarpanch and it's been done. Law and order is also our responsibility, but there are a lot of things involved, lot of stakeholders involved in it, and everybody has supported us, guided us, and ensured that we deliver to the best of our abilities. It is, I'll be failing in my duties if I say that, if I don't say that the Kalangud police station has been led by an exemplary officer, Paresh sir, police inspector of Kalangud police station, who knows how to handle the staff and the situation all around. Whatever situation comes up, we face it with confidence because the people are with us. He is very good in identifying the strengths and the weaknesses of staff, and it gels together. And with the exemplary senior officers sitting on the dais, the senior most ASR, Subhash sir, Prajit sir, Naresh sir, and Sinari sir, and also Bhaskar sir, the exemplary senior sub-inspectors have taken the staff together, and we have worked together along with all the stakeholders and the Panchayat itself. So I also thank Panchayat for their proactive support in ensuring that police does their job efficiently. Thank you so much. But before that, there is always a saying that there is a lot of hunger for love and appreciation in this world. We are no less. So your invite for us here on the Republic Day and appreciating our achievement this year will boost our morale, and I extend my gratitude to the Panchayat on behalf of Kalangud Police Station. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Keshav sir, for the inspiring word, and our support to the Kalangud Police will always be intact. I request the Secretary of Village Panchayat Kalangud, Mr. Arjun Beli, along with the Deputy Sarpanch, Madam Annie Fernandez, to please come forward as we are going to felicitate the Kalangud Police Station for their dedicated service to Kalangud and achieving the best police station for the year 2025. Requesting the Secretary and all the village panchayat members to please join their hands. I request the entire team of Kalangud Police Station headed by Mr. Paresh Naik to please come forward. Also, I request Mahadev, the other felicity who was there, to please join. Thank you. Please be seated. I request Madam Geeta Parab to please propose the vote of thanks.
आजच्या 77 रिपब्लिक डेच्या निमतान सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा दिता. आयज आमच्या मदीं असलेले गेस्ट परेश सर आणि त्यांचे टीम तांकां कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन म्हणटा की तेंचे काम अशेंच तेंच्यांनी फुडें व्हरचें. तशेंच हांगासर जमलेल्या मदीं खुबशे मानेस आसा, खबर ना म्हाका कोण कोण आसा मानेसा, खुबशे ऑफिशियल्सूय आसा हांगासर. सो तांकांय हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी बाकी सगळ्यांक म्हज्या कळवणकार भाव भयणांक हांगा जमल्या मदीं असलेल्या लोकांक हांव मनकाळजांच्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कारण तेंच्यांनी ह्या आमच्या ल्हानशा कार्यक्रमाची शोभा वाडयली म्हणून. थँक्यू सो मच.
Thank you.
रिक्वेस्ट कर